Gran Europa is a village owned by Manny Villar. It is one of the most beautiful villages made by the Camellia Homes. Gran Europa has 6 different subdivisions, namely La Buena Vida, Frontiera, Montaña, La Mirande, Portico, and Lisandra. Furthermore, it has a convenience store called Welcome, a house of worship, a village center, and lastly, a school for preschool and grade school levels called Georgia Academy. Buildings and houses from Gran Europa showcase many different architectural designs, and in this video, we are going to show you 4 buildings from Gran Europa, which were chosen for this project, and you're about to see it in a moment.
For the religious structure, the church located inside Gran Europa is inspired by postmodern architecture, with a touch of Gothic architecture due to the presence of the stained glass. At the front of the church are 2 arches for its entrance and a number of stained glass for its design, while at the top, a symbol of the cross can be seen. And at the back of the church, it is supported by pillars. First residential house, Victorian style. Like in a common Victorian architecture, we can see here an oriel window, a portico, and inside is an eye-catching design of a snake for its column. As mentioned earlier, here a portico stands as the first main attraction of the house. And on the left side of the house, we can see here a dormer with its own roof. On to the right side of the house shows 2 oriel windows and a bay window on its right side.
Ikaw rin makabalo kaya ikaw may mag-review. Sir, tago kay ka, sir ba?
Second residential house, modern architecture. This house is an epitome of a modern architecture, with its simplicity and clarity, and the use of industrialized materials such as steel, cement, and glass, although there is a touch of postmodernism as seen through its roof designs and a column on its sides. Striking structure, castle-themed residential house. This building is inspired by medieval castle architecture, as it imitates a castle-like structure. Each windows on the side of the building has its own concrete canopy, and on the front of the building, each floor has its own balcony. This castle-like structure stretches to the far right. The building is made up of cement, making it much more sturdy.